like halving, and deciding which way to go. And it just keeps halving its way. What was our answer? Points. So it'd probably be this, and then half of that, and then half of that, and it keeps doing that, right? And a computer can do that 1,000,000 times in the blink of your eyes, right? It can do that. And it cuts it, it's always gonna give you it's always giving you an answer that's an approximation. So that computer probably got it down to like, all right, it's between 0.739084 and 0.79 or 739,086. It probably got between those two numbers, right? And the program, whoever wrote the program said, go ahead and stop running the program, stop cutting in half when you get to a certain, like, the distance between these is small, some predetermined distance, and it stops, and it's probably just returning you the number in the middle. So that's even an approximate. Does that make sense to you? We've cut it down. That's called the bisection method. And we get to an approximate solution. So maybe that solution's not good enough, right? So what I can do here is I can actually go to the computer and I can ask it over here for more digits. So basically I'm asking it to run that algorithm more. And now it's going to cut that, and now look how precise it is. 0.7390851332155. You get the idea, right? It just went and cut it even more, and these got even smaller and narrowed it down. But it never, I want you to understand, it never got to a number. It got to an interval where the two endpoints were really close to each other. And if I want more, I can run it more. And more. And more. What's that?
What about exact form?
There is no exact form. Nope. Well, does it say exact form? Hold on. Ooh, let's see. I'll be real curious to see this. No. Yeah. There's no exact form for this. So we're out of time on this. I don't even know what it is on the homework assignment that I'm going to want you to do. So let me get back to my office and look at our textbook. Don't do anything from 1.5 yet until I send you what to do. You can do the 1.4 stuff, but not the 1.5 yet. There's still a little bit more I want to talk about here. Yeah, I was going to say something else, but we're out of time. Y'all have a good day. Yes. The next time you upload homework, upload that with it. Yeah, but I would do it, get it out of the way. Yeah, yes. I forgot man. Was everybody here today? Yes? Okay. All right. Yeah, you'll have to remind me. I hate taking tennis at college, you know, but they asked me to do it, and I always forget because I don't like to babysit, you know. If you don't show up, you don't show up, right? But
is it like hard due dates or like soft due dates?
Is it what?
Hard or soft due dates?
For the upload, it's pretty hard, but if you need more time, you can always email it to me. If it doesn't let you upload it,
Yeah.
but then it's like technically late at that point.
Okay.
Yes? Yeah. But let me know, like if you know it's going to be late, just send me an email. Hey, I didn't get it done in time, you know, here it is.
I need to check with your office hours, but are you available tomorrow as well, sir?
Yes.
Okay,
But
I just need to kind of force pretty things with you, because I didn't take recalc for some reason on my track. I did trigonometry instead.
okay.
Which is, I guess, it's still passed as Cal like credit.
Where did you do that?
I did that. It was all online, but like
Okay.
I talked to my advisor because I'm going for an associate's in science and then going for civil engineering.
Okay.
But for some reason, it took me under trigonometry.
Yeah.
So, like, it's weird. I understand like 3/4 of this, but there's little parts that I'm just
Okay.
completely lost still in.
Yeah, come on by. My hours tomorrow are from 12:30 to 2:30.
Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, my
Yeah.
last class is at 12:30.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, just come on by.
Yes, sir.
All right, we'll see. You too. Yes.
I did not check what time the homework was due until I was submitting it, and I was 11 minutes late. But I did.
Did it let you submit it?
It did.
Okay, then don't worry about it.
I was
Yeah.
hoping you'd make an exception because it's the first time, but I did 49 through 54 already.
You did?
And I
Okay.
considered this morning. I had up to 28 done Thursday evening at
Yeah.
5:30.
Okay. Yeah. No.
But I didn't check my email, and I'm a terrible student, and I'll check the time for when it's due from now on. And
Yeah, that probably would have saved you some grief, but you know, you're a little ahead of it now
I mean,
then.
I wasn't stressed out until I realized I was submitting it.
Yeah.
As I was submitting it, I was like, oh no, well, better submit it.
In the future, I mean, I'm just glad it didn't stop you from uploading it. It'll tell me it's late, but I don't want to have to deal with that. Like, if it's late, it's late, whatever.
Right.
But I don't want to be like where I have to open something up for people, you know, because it's really just to kind of keep people honest with their homework. It's not, like I was saying, I don't want to take attendance. I don't want to babysit homework either. You're either going to work or you're not. So, but
And you're probably going to get upset with me because I didn't write limit as much as I should have on the homework.
I won't get upset with you. The test, that will cost you though. So you just want to get into the habit.
A lot of mistakes I made on the first homework assignment. I just want to show that one, I'm not going to let those mistakes happen.
Yeah.
And thank you for accepting it late.
Yeah, no problem. It's just if it becomes like consistently late, that's when it'll start to be an issue, but
I used to have an old manager that would say, you know, David, we all make mistakes, but what's important is that you learn from them and you don't ever repeat them again.
Yeah.
He just gave me this data I love, like, you better not do that.
like over and over, same
Yeah,
thing,
yeah, he was
repeating.
like, don't ever make me fix, you know, he was the kind of manager that was always stressed out, always had, you know, a million things on his plate. He was like, David, just quit adding to my plate, like
Yeah.
I'm sick of you.
Yeah. Where was that? What kind of job was that?
Like hotel,
Okay.
hospitality type.
Yeah.